Alright, so we're going to start our power core build. This is a piece of Damascus that I forged. It's 1084 and 201 pure nickel for high contrast. This is just a scrap chunk of 80 CRV2, and that'll be the base of the blade and the cutting edge. So how this works is I will go in with the bandsaw and cut out this shape, and then I will forge weld that into it, probably somewhere there. That'll be forge welded in, and then ground into a knife. So, went in with the bandsaw and cut that out. So now I will file and fit that in, and then go in with the arc welder and put a couple of tacks on it and get it ready to forge weld. Alright, so we've got it in. Had to weld it up with the arc welder with no hood because I forgot mine where I used to work. So that sucks, but obviously I just didn't look at the arc. So now it's time to go into the forge and flux and pray that this works. So this is what we've got right now. Hopefully that welded in solid and tight, and I don't really do any forging on it because I don't want to break that piece loose, so hopefully we can find a knife in there somehow. Start grinding and cutting away. So that's what's next. Alright, so been grinding here for a minute. You can see that our tip did not weld in, at least on the outside. I don't know what's going to happen as I grind in further, but seeing as how it didn't weld in that great on both sides, it probably didn't weld in the center. I don't know if you can see that right in front of my thumbnail. You can see that little black V. That's where the tip of the Damascus is. So that kind of sucks. So the knife will be worthless, but might finish it out anyway. See how it goes. Alright, so our tip is still not looking the best where that Damascus is welded in there, but I'm going to go ahead and heat treat it anyway. I don't know. I guess I like wasting time. Probably going to end up throwing this thing out, but we'll at least get it finished up and get an etch on it so you guys can see what it looks like. So we'll heat treat it. It might break during the heat treat. I cut too far in back here, relieving the shoulders on the tang. So I cut up past the 80 CRV into that Damascus core. So this bottom piece might pop out when I quench it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Just heat treated this guy. Well, hardened it. I still need to temper it. Didn't hear any pops or tings or anything scary, so I'm hoping that nothing broke on us. But we'll figure that out maybe next week, tomorrow, see when I get time to work on it again. So be on the lookout for the next video.